Today we're making exceptionally soft pastry with a preparation different than you're used to. Stay with me to see how. Start by putting 650 grams of soft flour into the mixing bowl. Make a small well, then pour in 200 milliliters of warm milk. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 8 to 10 grams of dry yeast. Now mix everything briefly. Then pour in 200 milliliters of water. Mix everything again briefly. Then add 1 level tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix everything together again. When the dough has almost come together like this, clear the table to work with it more thoroughly. Flour the work surface, then take out the dough. Continue kneading it further. Add flour gradually to prevent the dough from sticking. Knead the dough for a few more minutes. I've added about 20 to 30 grams of flour, and this is how it should look. The dough is still soft and sticky, but that's how it should be. Dust it with some flour, then divide it into 8 parts. Shape each triangle into a ball. If it sticks too much, use some flour. You can roll it like this too. When you finish the last ball too, arrange them like this, dust with flour, then cover with a cloth and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Now take each ball, press it lightly with your hand, then stretch it out. Stretch it to about 15-20 centimeters in diameter. If it sticks, add flour. Dust the side with flour. Then place the stretched dough here. After stretching all the dough, melt 100 to 125 grams of margarine or butter. I'm using margarine this time. Then pour in 100 milliliters of oil. You might not use all of it. Don't think it's too much, it's not. Take a large plate or any round container. You can even use a baking tray. It doesn't matter. Grease it. Place 1 piece of dough. Generously coat that dough piece too. Continue like this in order, layering dough pieces and coating them with this butter and oil combination. Don't worry about this being too much fat. It's not, because this dough contains yeast. This isn't regular dough. As the dough rises, it will absorb this oil. I didn't use everything, about 30 to 50 milliliters remained. After coating the last piece of dough, cover it with plastic wrap, then let it rest for 30 to 60 minutes. With the remaining butter and oil combination, grease the work surface where you'll stretch this dough. Oil everywhere so the dough can slide easily. Now flip this dough over. Like this. Gather the fat. Coat lightly like this, with oil on top. Center it and now press lightly. And again. Gently pull like this in all directions. The dough is very soft, very easy to stretch. For more even stretching, when you reach this size, flip the dough over. Continue just pushing it with your hand like this. The rolling pin isn't needed now. While stretching, try to shape the edges into a rectangle like this. Take a cutter and cut into 18 pieces. Like this will make 6. And like this, 3. Next, roll them up. You can add any filling you want or none at all. It's up to you. I'm making them plain this time, so everyone can eat them as they like. After arranging the rolls in the pan, press each lightly with your hand. Then cover with a cloth and let them rest for about 30 minutes. After resting, mix 1 yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk. Then brush them. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and when the oven is hot, bake them. Optionally, sprinkle some seeds or add any filling you prefer inside. Here it is, they are done. Baking time was just 20 minutes. Let them cool like this or brush them with some oil.